there's no way that they actually. No way. There's no way,
There's
right?
no way.
Oh,
Oh, they
that
undershot it.
actually sucks.
No.
I think they're gonna. Oh, they're looping. They were like 1,000% still gonna
I
land
almost
it.
have 10 kills with Reaper.
5 kills randomly.
I almost have 10 kills with Reaper.
Dude, they're gonna totally try and re-land that thing. Wait, are they gonna try and
Oh,
re-land it going that way?
I was trying to get me. Oh, I'm dead. I'm dead.
Wait, are they going down? Hold up. I need to see this with my own eyes.
Bro, kill the Devourer.
Oh, I just gave him my 9 kill streak.
Leopard, they're doing flips off the coast. Nah, dude, I'm just watching whatever the heck this Singapore plane is doing.
Wait, Finn, I bet I can kill you. I bet I can kill you. As long as you don't move. If you're AFK, I bet I can kill you.
I'm in the ocean. Well, I'm gonna have to reset. It's about to land again. It's about to try and land again. I need to go ahead and head to the aircraft carrier. There we go.
I have a bloodthirsty orbit.
Leopard is coming in! It's coming in! No, they don't do this, right?
There's no. Okay.
But they're on it. They're on it. They're on it.
Yeah, stuff cooking.
Oh, this sucks.
Oh, halfway through. Good job,
Oh, no.
bud.
Shuck.
Oh no. What is it doing? What are they doing? Oh! Wait. Well, I mean, if they slow down, then they'll start taxing, and then they technically made it. What? No. Oh God. What the heck? Oh, that sucks! Oh! Oh man, that stinks.